Hi, Mrs. Hardy. I'm really excited to do this workshop with you. So before we get into applications that we can use, teachers can use in the classroom, I just want to talk about digital literacy and some 21st century skills that your students need to know. So to start off, digital literacy is knowing how hardware and mobile devices such as software and apps and how they all interact, and also how to use tools so that students can access and use all the information that is now available in digital format. So some of the skills that we want to teach our teachers to teach our students are skills such as problem solving, where individuals develop the skills to solve complex problems, creativity, so that students come to think and develop unique and useful solutions in a digital and non-digital environment, which leads to innovation and invention. Analytical thinking, which is the skill to compare, contrast, evaluate, synthesize, and apply without instruction or supervision. Communication, which is talking not only in person or text, but through multimedia formats such as visually through imagery like videos. Collaboration between students, such as possessing the skill to work with others seamlessly in physical and virtual environments. And ethics and accountability, which includes skills such as adaptability, fiscal responsibility, personal accountability, environmental awareness, empathy, tolerance, and more. So it's really important that we teach our students these skills so that they can apply them to applications in the classroom. So one application is GroupMe, which students can use on their tablets, computers, phones. It can be used to communicate through any type of phone. And so students can collaborate and problem solve by talking to each other about ideas that they have for projects, and just helping each other out and coming to class prepared for things that they're collaborating on. And so GroupMe kind of helps fulfill the ISTE standard of designing and developing digital age learning experiences and assessments, because this is students developing experiences by talking to each other through GroupMe. And then another application is Google Docs. So Google Docs is like the Word program, Microsoft Word. However, you can communicate with your classmates and leave comments, and so this allows students to have a form of communication while working on a document together, because you can see the work that each student is putting in. And so this also holds our students accountable and makes them problem solve together, because they can see the work that they're putting in and they can talk to each other, and if they have any problems or don't agree on an idea, then they can fix it and see it together at the same time. And this promotes and models digital citizenship and responsibility, because students are keeping each other accountable. And in Adobe Design, this is another program that students can use to usually create like posters or pamphlets, and so this kind of promotes creativity, because students can pick a certain layout and try to draw the audience's attention, and it creates problem solving, because they have to figure out where placements go, what's going to attract the audience the most. And so this helps facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity, which is another IST standard. And then, so Google Slides is similar to Google Docs. However, it's more like a PowerPoint program, and so you can still communicate with your classmates through comments and a chat. And so this kind of promotes more collaboration and communication, because you're usually going to use a PowerPoint to present in front of a class, and so students have to make sure that they're communicating with each other so they have the right information. And so this also promotes and models digital citizenship and responsibility for students, because they have to hold each other accountable. And then lastly, IXL is a program that students use to learn math, science, social studies, and English, and they are quizzed, and they go through like a learning stage, and then they're quizzed on the information that they have learned. And so this is kind of problem solving and analytical thinking, because they have to take the information that they learned and apply it to the problems. And this helps design and develop digital age learning exercises and assessments. And so kind of incorporating all these activities in the classroom help teachers model digital age work and learning. So it's important that the teachers know this information and how to use these applications before they teach it to their students. And then it also helps engage in professional growth and leadership, because if the teachers can use these applications with one another and with their students, then that's going to help their students grow. So I'm really excited to do this workshop with you, and thanks.